Welcome back to Stocklabs. It's the end of the month, end of November 2021, and it's time to check in on the Stocklabs Quant, which, um, you know, did okay overall considering the exciting month that we had. The month really started off like with a bang. Everything was flying in the first week, and then it was sort of a slow motion destruction the rest of the month into Thanksgiving. We had the big down day after Thanksgiving, and then sold off into the end of the month today on Tuesday. As far as performance for the quant model, down 1.1%, which was more or less in line with the S&P. I think the S&P ended up finishing about down 1% or down 0.8%, something like that, for the month. And yeah, so more or less hung in with the broader market. Top performers: AMD, Nvidia. I mean, these stocks have been carrying a lot of portfolios. I think semis are, they might be crowded, but I mean, everyone wants semis. Don't know how else to put it. Silvergate here had a nice month, up almost 18%, but I think this stock was actually up a lot more at one point during the month. Like a lot more. So pullback in the making. Um, Datadog rounds out the fifth up stock for the month. So only five stocks up, the rest all down. But I mean, the damage was more or less controlled. Seems like. I mean, energy got rocked this month. Bottom performers were all from energy, and then surprisingly, CRM, got hit about 10, 11%. You don't see that often. Same with this Zoom Info. It's been pretty strong, down 9, 10%. The rest all kind of muddled, down 2, 4, 5%, which, I mean, if, that's not too bad as far as having a pretty poor month for the overall market. I mean, you're probably going to be pretty happy if you had stocks that were only down 3 or 4% for the month. As far as the performance, yeah. So obviously dipping from the all-time high close, or all-time high daily close. You can see was way up here. This all-time high monthly close um, from October was slightly higher. So kind of looped up and then dipped into month end. So we'll see how the fly, um, you know, shuffles out these stocks. As a reminder, this portfolio only rebalances once a month. So first trading day of the month. So that'll be December 1st, tomorrow, Wednesday. In this case, all these stocks will be sold, and then he will go into his quant screener and find the new holdings for the month of December and in the end of year. So, you know, tough month overall for markets. Quant hung in there pretty well, up 32% year to date. I think that's pretty successful year if you just shut it all down right here. So he'll try for some more into year end, and we'll be following along. Okay, bye.